Now I am going to start that exercise 7.1. Before going to do this exercise, just to see all the formula of list 1 and list 2. Here I am not going to teach in order, just I am going to start with that 7th problem. Here, what is the integral of x square into 1 minus 1 by x square dx? First, multiply x square. What will get? Integral of x square into 1 x square minus x square into 1 by x square get cancelled, that is a 1 dx. Here you can take integral separately, so integral of x square dx minus integral of 1 dx. For this integral of x square dx, I am going to use the first formula, that is the integral of x to the power of n dx is equal x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Here in the place of n we have that 2, so what we can write? X to the power of 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 minus, what is the integral of 1? In the yesterday class I said that the derivative of x is 1. Here integral of 1 is x plus arbitrary constant. This is equal x cube divided by 3 minus x plus c. It is the answer. Next one, that is the 8th. What is the integral of ax square plus bx plus c dx? Integral of here we have 3 terms. Take the integral separately for these 3. So what we can write? Integral of ax square dx plus integral of bx dx plus, sorry, it is c, integral of c dx. Here a, b, c are constants, just take out from the integrals. So what will be here? A into integral of x square dx plus, by taking this b outside, what will be here? X. So b into integral of x dx. Just observe, by taking this c outside, here we have that 1. So c into integral of 1 dx. Here for this one we use the first formula. In the place of n we have 2. Okay. So what we can write? A into x to the power of 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus b into, here x it is having power 1. So what we can write? X to the power of 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus c into, here what is the integral of 1? That is the x plus, I am going to take the arbitrary constant as some c1. Why? Because already c it is used in the problem, so I am not taking that c as arbitrary constant, just I am taking c1. So final answer, that is a into x cube divided by 3 plus b into x square by 2 plus cx plus c1. It is the answer of that. Next, 9th one. What is the integral of 2x square plus c power x dx? Here we have that 2 terms. Just take integral separate for these 2. So integral of 2x square dx plus integral of e to the power of x dx. Here 2 is the constant, we can take outside from the integral. So 2 into integral of x square dx plus integral of e to the power of x dx. See, we use first formula. What is that? Integral of x to the power of n dx equal x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So in the place of n we have 2. So 2 into x to the power of 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus what is the integral of e to the power of x? That is e to the power of x only. Already I said that no need take plus c separately for these two. One constant c it is enough for both. So final answer, that is the 2 by 3 into x cube plus e to the power of x plus c. Next, come to the 10th one. What is the integral of root x minus 1 by root x whole square? First, apply the a minus b whole square formula. That is the a square plus b square minus 2ab. In the place of a we have root x. In the place of b we have that 1 by root x. So integral of root x whole square plus b square means 1 by root x whole square minus 2ab, 2 root x into 1 by root x dx. Here root x it cancel. Now this is equal integral of root x whole square, it is the x plus 1 by x minus 2 dx. Here if you want we can take integral separately, otherwise you can write the answer separately. Just I am going to take that integral separately. That is the integral of x dx plus integral of 1 by x dx minus integral of 2 dx. Here what is the integral of x dx? X it is having power 1. So what do you write? X to the power of 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus what is the integral of 1 by x dx? That is the log mod x minus, just take this 2 outside, 2 into integral of what? 1 dx. Otherwise integral of 2 dx we can take as 2x. Okay, this is equal what comes? X square divided by 2 plus log mod x minus 2 into integral of 1, that is x plus c. It is answer. Here if you want you can remember that the integral of k dx, integral of k dx equal, if you take this k outside what we have that 1, the integral of 1 is x, so directly you can write that integral of k dx as what? Kx plus c. Okay, you can use directly this formula here. Otherwise just take these 2 outside, you have the integral of 1 dx, that is minus 2x plus c. Next, 11th one. Here x square, just take under x cube, under 5x square, under 4 separately. So we can write, first of all what is the question? What is the integral of x cube plus 5x square minus 4 divided by x square dx? It is equal to integral of, take this x square separately, means what you write? X cube divided by x square plus 5x square divided by x square minus 4 divided by x square dx. by cancelling this x square here, what will have that? X plus by cancelling both terms, what? We have that 5 minus 4 into this 1 by x square, we can take it as the x to the power of minus 2 dx. Now take this integral separately for these three terms. What we have that? Integral of x dx plus integral of 5 dx minus integral of 4 into x to the power of minus 2 dx. Here x it is having power 1. What is the integral of x to the power of 1? That is x to the power of 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus, or I say that integral of 5 dx means you can take 5x. Otherwise take this 5 outside. Okay, I am writing directly, that is 5x minus 4 into, for the x to the power of minus 2 I am going to apply the formula, that is x to the power of minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 plus c. Now this is equal x square divided by 2 plus 5x minus minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 minus 2 to minus plus x to the power of minus 2 plus 1, that is a minus 1. So we can write as 4 by x plus c. It is the answer. Next, this 11 and 12 both are similar. Here in the denominator we have that x square, in the denominator we have that root x. Here also you take that root x separately. So integral of x cube plus 3x minus plus 4 divided by root x dx is equal, what we can write? Integral of x cube divided by root x plus 3x divided by root x plus 4 divided by root x dx. Here this is equal integral of x cube divided by root x means x to the power of 1 by 2. Square root of x means x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 3x divided by square root of x, that is x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 4 divided by x to the power of 1 by 2. Here already you know that the formula, that is a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal a to the power of m minus n. Okay, in the place of m we have that 3, in the place of n we have that 1 by 2. So what we can write? Integral of x to the power of 3 minus 1 by 2 plus 3 into x it is having power 1. So what? X to the power of 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 4 into, just take this up. So what you can write? X to the power of minus 1 by 2 dx. Now this is equal integral of x to the power of 3 minus 1 by 2 means, that is 5 by 2 plus 3 into x to the power of 1 minus 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 plus 4 into x to the power of minus 1 by 2 dx. Now take the integral separately, and here 3, 4 we have the constants, take out. I am writing directly integral of x to the power of 5 by 2 dx plus 3 into integral of x to the power of 1 by 2 dx plus 4 into integral of x to the power of minus 1 by 2 dx. Next condition part I am going to write here. See, use the first formula only. In the place of n we have that 5 by 2. So what? X to the power of 5 by 2 plus 1 divided by 5 by 2 plus 1 plus 3 into same formula. Okay, here in the place of n we have that 1 by 2. So what? X to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 4 into, for this also we use the first formula only. In the place of n we have that minus 1 by 2. So what? X to the power of minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Now this is equal x to the power of 5 by 2 plus 1 means that is a 7 by 2. 7 by 2 divided by 7 by 2, 3 into x to the power of 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus 4 into x to the power of 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 plus c. I am going to get the last step, that is the 2 by 7 into x to the power of 7 by 2 plus 3 get cancelled, 2 into x to the power of 3 by 2 plus 8 into x to the power of 1 by 2 plus c. If you want, you can write this x to the power of 1 by 2 as the root x, otherwise just keep like this, enough. It is the answer of the 12th question. Next, 13th one, that is the integral of x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 dx. Just take bracket for the first two terms and next two terms. From these two we can take the x square common. So what? Integral of, by taking x square common we will get x minus 1 plus x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 dx. From these two terms we can take the x minus 1 common. So what? Integral of x minus 1 into x square plus 1 divided by x minus 1 dx. Here we can cancel this x minus 1. So what? Integral of x square plus 1 dx. I am writing directly the integral of x square is x to the power of 3 divided by 3 plus the integral of 1 is x plus c. Next, 16th one. What is the integral of 2x minus 3 cos x plus e power x dx? Integral of 2x minus 3 cos x plus e power x dx. Here we have three terms. Take that integral separately for those three. So what? Integral of 2x dx plus integral of minus integral of 3 cos x dx plus integral of e to the power of x dx. In the first and second, just we are having that constants 2 and 3 take outside from the integral. So what? 2 into integral of x dx minus integral of minus 3 into integral of cos x dx plus integral of e to the power of x dx. Here, what is the integral of x dx? X it is having that power 1. So what? 2 into x square divided by 2 minus 3. What is the integral of cos x? That is the sin x plus what is the integral of e power x? E to the power of x plus c. By cancelling this 2, you will get that x square minus 3 sin x plus e to the power of x plus c. It is the answer for that 16th question. Here I did not have that 14 and 15. Those are homework problems. Just try to do those. What is the integral of secant x into secant x plus tan x dx? Is equal integral of, first multiply secant x into secant x, secant square x, plus secant x into tan x, secant x tan x dx. If you want, take the integral separately, otherwise you can write the directly. Just I am going to take the separately, integral of secant square x dx plus integral of secant x tan x dx. Here already I said that the integral of secant square x is tan x plus integral of secant x tan x is secant x plus c. Next, come to 19th. That is, what is the integral of secant square x divided by cosecant square x dx. This one I am going to take as a secant square x means 1 by cos square x divided by cosecant square x means 1 by sin square x dx. This is equal, this sin square x will go up, so sin square x divided by cos square x dx. Sin square x divided by cos square x, that is tan square x dx. Here directly we don't have formula for the integral of tan square x, but from the trigonometric formula, what is that? Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. From this tan square x will be replaced by secant square x minus 1. Just take the tan square x right side, 1 left side. That time what will get? Secant square x minus 1 equal tan square x. So what is can be taken as secant square x minus 1 dx. I am writing directly the integral of secant square x is tan x minus the integral of 1 is x plus c. Next, 28th. What is the integral of 2 minus 3 sin x divided by cos square x dx? This I am going to write as the integral of 2 divided by cos square x minus 3 sin x divided by cos square x, cos x into cos x dx. This is equal integral of 2 into 1 by cos square x, that is secant square x, minus 3 into here sin x by cos x, tan x, 1 by cos x, sec x. So finally 3 into what we write? Sec x into tan x dx. This is equal, take the integral separately. So integral of what? 2 secant square x dx minus integral of 3 secant x tan x dx. Here 2 is the constant, take out, 3 is the constant, take out. So what? This is equal 2 into integral of secant square x dx minus 3 into integral of secant x tan x dx. What is the integral of secant square x dx? Tan x. What is the integral of secant x tan x dx? Secant x. So what? 2 into tan x minus 3 into sec x plus c. It is the answer of that 20th question. Already I gave the two lists of formulae. Okay, in the first list we have the 14, in the second list we have that 13. Okay. Here with those just already said, try to remember these also. There is a integral of 1 dx is equal x plus c and integral of k dx is equal kx plus c. These two just try to add to those. Okay, just tomorrow we'll continue this 7.1. Okay, remaining problems will be taught.